at a place called in Marin in Novato, California. And we come in here, greeted immediately by the beds, your front desk, and pretty much everything is immediately visible. Got an advanced temperature control system, a nice window, and if we turn on the light, I think it turns on that. Normally I'd start with an amenities tour first, but it was easier to do this. The clock doesn't seem to be visible. Got your Bible in your drawers though. Looks like double-sized beds, or maybe queen, I'm not sure. TV, got a flat screen, Keurig coffee maker, ice machine, and looks like a multi-tool on top of that. That's kind of weird. See if I can turn on some more lights. Maybe make it a little brighter in here. I think there's one over here too. 2 lights, there we go. In the cabinets here, I would think we would have a little fridge, and that we do. Is refrigerating. There's a door right there. I don't know what that goes to. I think it goes to another room. And in these cabinets is nothing. It's like American Furniture Warehouse furniture, I think. Got a big mirror here, pretty stylish. Right in front of the window, you can see out as well. Closet, which has a... oh. Would you look at that? Little fluorescent light. This is actually, so the interesting thing is this is an Ascend hotel, which I think it's because of the location, which you'll see in a minute is actually extremely decent. The rooms are mediocre. I mean, it's what you can expect with a choice hotel, to be honest with you. But it's not bad. So during the day, we got a skylight. But at night, here's the lights. Run the water. They got a few things here. I don't see what the soap bar is. Oh! Liquid hand soap. I like that. I never have liquid hand soap at hotels. Toilet. Toilet looks alright. Is it? Yeah, it works. Tissues here. Got your toilet paper and your towels. Looks like yeah, that's hung by housekeeping. The only thing that really concerns me, what is this? This is what I walked into. Either nobody hung the shower head or there was nowhere to put it. Again, all the soaps are liquid. Those are all shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. And I can't turn this on. At least not like this, not very easily. I mean, it works, but that is not really effective. Okay, it's like, what? And I think that's off. Okay, that's kind of weird. What do we got here? Hair dryer. Huh. And then this here. Okay, the mirrors fold in. Interesting. Shut off the lights and back out of here. You can see the whole room. Little phone and everything. Yep, I guess you guys are good to come in. There's no sign or anything on the back of the door for me to show, and I'm gonna do the external layout.
Okay.
So, come on in. Yeah. Anyways, though, we're done with the room, so let's take a look at the exterior area of the hotel. You got your own private parking spot. Let me check and see that I have a card. Which I do. I'm good. You can close the door. Private parking spot. It's supposed to be reserved for your vehicle. I guess you can call if there's not a parking space in front of your room. If we walk around, be able to see all of the interesting things here. Why this place is an Ascend hotel. Should be an ice machine or something. Ah, here's the ice machine. Push for ice. Well, that works. This looks like a service door of sorts. It's got a card reader on it, though. If we walk around a little, you can see that we're in somewhat of a resort-style area. Except for the fact that we're right next to the highway, which is over there. We can go look around and see a couple areas. I'm probably not going to show the front desk area. I may show a little bit inside the building, but I don't want to bother the staff in the building. They got quite a few people in there, and there's offices also. And I got hiccups. I'm sorry. But yeah, quite a pretty area, to be honest. This is a very nice place to be in California. Very pretty. And this here, this is the Courtyard. Hopefully it's not too windy. I'm hoping that's not getting too bad on the camera. Oh, mushrooms growing there. Just noticed that. Doesn't really matter. It's kind of cute. Variations of plants. Adds to the character of all of these beautiful plants, trees, the courtyard, an event going on over there with music playing that will give me a copyright strike if I don't happen to talk over it or do something. So I'm just gonna walk by here, actually, just go through the pool real quick and hopefully not take too much time. I don't like how that gate has to be open. But yeah, so we go through here, and here's your pool. Nice little area to sit at. We come through here. I don't want to take too much time to stare at everybody. Don't want to get everyone on film, you know. This place is under renovation, this building, this main building, and this is the event hall, it looks like. With some pool service area there, restroom there, ice machine, and a carded door, looks like. I don't think you need it. No, you don't. Huh. Okay. Free water station here. It looks like tea. Nice. This is a little food store. Pretty cool. Coffee station. And this is the general area. And you can tell they're renovating this facility. So it's not entirely finished at the moment. But it also usually has a restaurant, I'm told, but I guess today it's just not in service, but they will use it for the breakfast area. I don't know where it is, and I didn't look. But yeah, very pretty hotel. My only issues were the thing with the shower there. That was weird. Got some nice plants. And then this here highway right next to your hotel kind of ruins the immersion, but other than that, in Marin seems like it's a beautiful place that honestly, from what I can see, isn't too bad to stay at, but we'll see. And I'll keep everybody informed of how the night was here and how I felt about the place in the long run, but so far I really like it. And usually I don't say that about many small hotels, so hopefully that's saying a lot. I guess we'll just end with a view of this courtyard here, and I will probably... Oh, wait a second. I think... Hold on. If I walk down here, what is this down here? I think is the building down here. Oh, look, a fire extinguisher. I don't know. Yeah, that building's not part of the complex. So, I guess I'll keep filming until about 10 minutes in, just a little walk around. And then we'll call that good for this tour. I think that's about it here. I didn't see a fitness center, so I'm a little disappointed on that one, actually, I will say. But otherwise, seems like a great place. So, see you later, and that's it.